Hello everyone. Let's look at another question from the chapter of quadratic equation. The question reads, a motor boat whose speed is 18 kilometers per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 kilometers upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. If you remember that we have done similar type of question in the chapter of linear equation. What is the difference over here and in the questions in linear equation? The first difference is in the questions that we did in linear equation, we had to find two variables, speed of the stream as well as speed of the boat. Here you are already given that the speed of the boat is 18 kilometers. See, it's told that the speed of the motor boat is 18 kilometers per hour in still water. Means there is no interference with water. Means no resistance, no push. That is why whatever is the speed of the motor boat. So first thing that we can write is the speed of the motorboat is the speed of motorboat is 18 kilometers per hour. And what we have to find? We have to find speed of stream. So we say let the speed of the stream be x kilometers per hour. Correct? Now, what you need to understand that the boat is moving upstream and downstream. Now, what do you mean by upstream and downstream? If this is the water current, if this represents a water current, children, and the direction of the water current is from left to right, we are just assuming, and we have a motorboat over here, for example. Okay. Now, if the motorboat moves in the direction opposite to that of water, opposite to that of water, means it is going in this direction. Water flows in the opposite direction. Water is flowing in this direction. Then such movement is called as upstream movement. Now, when the vessel is moving upstream, what is happening? It has to face resistance from water. So, its resultant speed will be reduced. But because the vessel is moving or because the motorboat is moving in the desired direction, we know that the speed of the motorboat will be greater than that of the stream. So we know that speed of motorboat is greater than that of the stream. So we in our mind know that 18 is greater than x. Speed of motorboat will be greater than speed of stream. Then only movement in the desired direction is possible. This is upstream. What happens in downstream? Both are flowing in the same direction. Water boat is in this direction. Water is flowing in this direction, and motorboat is also going in the same direction. That is called as downstream. We call it as downstream movement. Now, whenever you are doing questions based on speed, if we go with a table, it will help us. How? We are talking about distance. What is the distance traveled? 24 kilometers. You are going 24 kilometers upstream and coming down the same distance. So we have distance. We have already assumed the speed and we have comparison between time. Now, when the boat is going upstream, what is the distance that it is traveling? 24 kilometers. What is its resultant speed? Its speed, boat's speed of the boat, which is 18, minus that of the stream because it is going to restrict it. Whereas when it is downstream, speed of the motorboat plus the speed of the water. That will be the resultant speed. So that is how we are going to write down speed. Upstream is 18 minus x. Physics, we have learned the formula for speed. Speed is equal to distance upon time. So what is time? Time is distance upon speed. Using this formula, I get time taken to go upstream will be distance, which is 24, upon speed, which is 18 minus x. When we talk about movement of the motorboat downstream, again, it came 24 kilometers down. It came 24 kilometers down. Am I right? Its resultant speed was 18 plus x kilometers per hour. And the total time taken again was distance upon speed. We know that the time taken to go upstream is 1 hour more than that of downstream. So time taken upstream, according to the condition, we are going to have time taken to go upstream. Let me call it as T1 and let me call the time taken to go downstream as T2. According to the question, we have the time difference is 1 hour. Time taken to go upstream is 1 hour more than that of time taken to come downstream. So we have 24 time for 24 upon 18 minus x minus 24 upon 18 plus x is 1. I hope you all have understood this equation. Now let's solve it. What are we going to get? We can remove 24 common. If you remove 25 common, we are left with 1 upon 18 minus x minus 1 upon 18 plus x is 1. If we simplify the bracket, we are going to get 18 plus x minus 18 minus x. Children, don't forget to put the bracket, because if you forget the bracket, you will definitely make a sign mistake. In the denominator, we had 18 minus x, 18 plus x, which is nothing, which is of the form a minus b, a plus b. So we got 18 square minus x square. So we have 24 times 18 plus x minus 18 plus x upon 324 minus 36x plus x square, right? I'm really very sorry. Made a mistake over here. Blunder, not a mistake. Let's rewrite it. We'll write this is 24 times 18 plus x minus 18 plus x upon 324 minus x square. No middle term because it is of the form a square minus b square, right? Let's simplify this further. We are going to get 24 times, we have plus 18 minus 18 cancelling each other. X plus x is 2x upon 324 minus x square is 1. We get 24 into 2x is 1 times 324 minus x square. We get the equation 48x is equals to 324 minus x square. Let's bring everything on one side. So we are going to get x square plus 48x minus 324 is 0. I hope you are right and understood. We have 324 minus x square. We transpose x square on this side, so it's positive. 48 is already at its place, and we again transpose 324, it becomes a negative. Factors of 1 into 324, 324, which on subtraction will give me plus 48, is x square plus 54x minus 6x minus 324 is 0. How did we get it? We found the factors of 324. That's 2, 6 and 2, 81, 27, 9, 3, 3, 1. So we have 27, 3, 2s are 54, 54 and 6 on subtraction will give me 48. If you look at the first two terms, we have x common, x plus 54. We have 6 common, x plus 54, because when negative comes out, it changes to positive. So we have x plus 54 times x minus 6 is 0. X plus 54 is 0. X plus 54 is 0, or x minus 6 is 0. So you get x as minus 54 or x as 6. Can speed, x is denoting speed of the stream. Can the speed of the stream be negative? Can it be flowing in the reverse direction? No, not possible. So x should not be negative. X cannot be negative. Therefore, x is 6. Therefore, the speed of the speed of the stream. Therefore, the speed of the stream is 6 kilometers per hour. I hope you've understood. You've understood the concept of upstream, downstream. You can apply the same in linear equation. Over there, you're just going to take x and y. The fundamentals remain the same and you can simplify it. I hope you all have understood this. Children need to practice. Practice is pen and paper practice. Cannot be done orally. I hope understood. Thank you.